What is FtMocks? FtMocks is nothing but API mock data manager for unit functional and automation tests. Here, instead of mocking hundreds of APIs one by one, you can do same thing with one single line of code. Let me explain with an example. Let's take an example. This is a React application and it's a small school portal where you can perform crowd operations on teacher, student, subjects data. This is sample React application where you can perform crowd operations on teachers, students, subjects data. Let's write unit and automation test cases for this sample application. Here I have taken React testing library. Just by using this, I'm going to write my first test case. Here I have taken the scenarios create teachers. First, just load the entire application, and then we can go to the create teachers scenario. To load the entire application, we need three API calls: teachers, students, subjects. Here you can see I'm mocking global.fetch. In this global.fetch, if it is a teachers API, then this content will be served. If it is a students API, this content will be served. This is subjects API, this content will be served. Now we will write a playwright automation for the same scenario. This is the playwright code, and this I have imported a playwright. Here the same scenario create teachers. I am mocking the APIs in the same way. Here teachers API, students API, and subjects. Now imagine very complex web application which needs so much mock data. By loading itself, you have to mock at least 10 APIs with mock data larger than this, and it will have like hundreds of scenarios. Then what will you do? Mocking every time like this, it will be nightmare, and writing tests for these scenarios by mocking data, it will be absolute nightmare. Like, let's forget about mocking test cases, because now we have a way to manage the mock data with a single line of code. I will remove entire code, so like the entire this 100 lines of code, and will replace with one single line. That's it. Here also I will remove this entire 100 lines of code, will replace with one single line. That is all. Now run unit test cases. npm test. Here you can see the test cases are executing, and we have coverage over 80%, and all the scenarios got executed. How did I mock the data? With a single line of code only. You can see here initiate just fetch, here initiate just fetch, here initiate just fetch. That is all. In the FtMocks tool, you can see all the test cases here, and you can see here respect to mock data. If the application doesn't find any mock data over here, then it will redirect that request to default mock data. You have seen how effectively I have mocked all the APIs with a single line of code. What else FtMocks offers? Apart from tests and default mock data, it has mock server, where you can select the test case and run mock server on top of it. Like this you can run. Yes, and you can inject one record.js into your website, and you can record the entire mock data. That recorded.js will record events also. By using this, you can generate React testing library and playwright code also. You can create a default mock data by uploading har files or by user input. The same way for the tests also. You can create mock data for the by using har file or by using user input, or you can import directly from the default mock data and you can modify it also. You can see here the snaps features. You can take the snapshot and you can visualize it in the tool itself. You can see all the logs here and you can. Thank you very much for watching.